I was just reminded the majority of people will be celebrating Valentine's Day. And I was just researching before every Valentine Day, there is 58 million chocolate being sold. 58 million. Don't fall into that trap. And I do mean this because we have much better. The love that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spread among us in the Quran through Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam is way beyond a piece of chocolate. And again, don't fall in that trap. Buy a chocolate anytime, but don't single it in that day. If you want to single anything, single him, subhanah, on your daily basis, and single Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam on daily basis. Revive his sunnah, revive his love. What does the word love mean? And if you ask, everybody will give a different definition. I actually looked it up in the dictionary because what is love? And they define it many ways, but that one, I liked it more. It's intense feeling of deep attachment or appreciation. So you love something, and that something could be, usually we think of human being, a she, a he, a mother, a father, a child, usually a spouse. But also we have love for things, and love of things also you attach to it. And this deen is all about love. Most of it, if not all of it, is about love. But the expression of love is in different ways. The first verse of the Quran is what? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And how did Allah presenting himself, subhanahu, to you and me? By love. He chose ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. He could have said Al-Aziz al-Jabbar, Al-Qahhar, Al-Qawi, any of the names you know. But he said Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So keep in your mind, as you see people around you celebrating, I already have it. I don't need a piece of chocolate. I don't need a flower. I don't need it. I have it. What I need to revive in me, that love that he gives me, and I should give him more. And I'm going to end with a dua, beloved to me, from Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. Allahumma inni as'aluka hubbak, wa hubba kulla man yuhibbuk, wa hubba kulla amalin yuqarribuni ila hubbik. Ya Rabbi Ameen. I ask you, Ya Allah, for myself and everybody. I ask for your love. وَحُبَّ كُلَّ مَن يُحِبُّكَ, and the love of everyone who loves you. I don't want people to love me just because. I want those who Allah loves to love me. وَحُبَّ كُلَّ عَمَلٍ يُقَرِّبُنِي إِلَى حُبِّكَ, and the love of every deed, every act, just for one reason, because it's going to get me closer to you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala respond. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us those who really love Allah and willing to go through this path for his sake and for his sake only, and that we love each other for only one reason and no other, is for the sake of Allah.